Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 7 best functional training exercises to build strength all over. Number 1. Deadlifts. Targeted muscles, glutes, hamstrings, core. Why it's functional, mimics everyday lifting and enhances posterior chain strength. Tips: keep a neutral spine and engage your core to avoid injury. Number 2. Squats. Targeted muscles, quads, hamstrings, glutes, core. Why it's functional, builds lower body power and mobility for daily movements like standing or lifting. Variations: bodyweight squats, goblet squats, or barbell back squats. Number 3. Pull ups or lat pull downs. Targeted muscles, lats, biceps, shoulders, and core. Why it's functional, improves upper body pulling strength, useful for climbing or pulling objects. Tips: modify with resistance bands if needed. Number 4. Push-ups. Targeted muscles, chest, triceps, shoulders, core. Why it's functional, enhances pushing strength for activities like pushing a door or supporting body weight. Progressions: elevate feet or add resistance for more challenge. Number 5. Lunges. Targeted muscles, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Why it's functional, improves balance, coordination, and single leg strength. Variations: forward, reverse, or lateral lunges. Number 6. Farmer's carries. Targeted muscles, core, forearms, shoulders, traps. Why it's functional, simulates carrying heavy loads and improves grip strength and posture. Tips: use dumbbells or kettlebells of appropriate weight. Number 7. Turkish get ups. Targeted muscles, shoulders, core, hips, and full body stability. Why it's functional, combines mobility, stability, and strength in a single movement. Tips: start light to perfect the technique before adding weight. These exercises integrate multiple muscle groups, mimic real-life activities, and build functional strength to improve overall performance and reduce injury risk. Let me know if you want a sample workout plan incorporating these.